Hi guys, so for today's video, I'm going to make a reflection and understanding about the topic Chart Work 1, Measuring Distance on a Mercator Chart, and explain why longitude is not used when measuring distances on a chart. So let me explain about chart work. So what is chart work? A practice done by navigators that involve plotting courses and other navigational process on a chart. Chart work is crucial to passage planning and safe coastal cruising. Accurate chart work is the best basis for good navigation. Before going to sea, a course is plotting on a chart, noting bearings, distances, and expected times for each leg of a strip. While at sea, position is fixed at regular intervals and the course adjusted when necessary. Instruments for plotting. An increasing number of mariners today rely on automated tools such as GPS for navigation and getting from one point to another. Indeed, a good marine GPS will not only replicate a chart's details, but can aid in determining course, distance, lapse time, and position. And these are the materials needed in plotting. The first is navigational chart, compass dividers, pencil, and eraser, parallel ruler, protractor triangle, and chart plotter. Parallel ruler. So what is parallel ruler? The parallel ruler can also be used as a straight edge when connecting 2 points on a chart. Some parallel rulers, such as the one in the figure, have additional protractor markings around the edges, allowing the course heading to be determined by moving the rule to any line of median or longitude on the chart rather than only the compass rose. The next is parallel or rule plotter, which is an alternative to the parallel ruler. A parallel plotter is a ruler that allows the device to be moved across to the chart without changing its orientation. Most rule plotters have protractor markings, allowing the heading to be determined without having to move a compass rose. The plotter can also be used as a regular straight edge. Another common tool is the protractor triangle. In addition to being a straight edge, it can also help find the heading when used in conjunction with a parallel ruler or a roll plotter. The second tool most commonly associated with plotting and navigation is a pair of dividers. Dividers are used to mark the distance between two points on a chart or to mark points on the chart at which to place a ruler, parallel ruler, or a plotter. And note that the dividers have 2 points at the end, replacing one point which a pencil or lead marker turns this into a compass. Measuring distance. Distances can be determined using dividers or a ruler, although the former is more commonly employed because it can be used with more precision. The most common way to determine a distance is to set the dividers to the length of the line connecting 2 points. The dividers are placed against a scale on the chart to find the actual geographic distance. In most cases, plotting problems require determining distance in nautical miles. Remember that a minute of latitude is equal to 1 nautical mile. Thus, the distance of a line on a chart can be determined by holding the dividers up to the latitude scale on the side of the chart. Again, never use the longitude or horizontal scale to determine the distance between 2 points. It's worth remembering that the vertical latitude scale on a Mercator chart can be used to measuring distance, not the horizontal longitude scale. This is because each minute of latitude equals to 1 nautical mile, while the distance between minutes of longitude decreases between the equator and the poles.